Raise your hand if your iPhone has ever blocked your favorite show, stalked you with creepy ads, or slowed to a crawl during prime time. Good news, a VPN can fix all of that. And today, I'll show you the best one for iPhone. Ever wondered why so many people use a VPN on their iPhones? Here's the scoop. First, keep your stuff private. Did you know your internet provider can actually see what you're doing online? That info can end up being used for targeted ads. Plus, websites can track your location and browsing history using your IP address. A VPN hides your real IP and keeps your online activity private. Second, bypass geo-restrictions. Want to watch shows or play games that aren't available in your country, like US Netflix, BBC iPlayer, Hulu, or even games like Roblox and PUBG? With a VPN, you can easily bypass those annoying geo-restrictions and access content from anywhere. Number 3, stop annoying slowdowns. Sometimes your internet provider will slow down your connection, especially when lots of people are online. Using a VPN creates a secure tunnel for your traffic, which can help prevent your ISP from throttling your speed. So why should you go with UFO VPN? Here's what makes it stand out. First, worldwide access made easy. UFO VPN has over 2,000 servers all around the globe. That means you can easily get around regional restrictions and access content from just about anywhere. They even offer special servers for gaming and streaming, so you can always find a fast connection for whatever you want to do. Second, super fast speed. Tired of lag or high ping? UFO VPN's built-in speed test helps you connect to the best server every time. This means smoother gameplay, faster streaming, and no more throttling from your internet provider. Third, security and privacy. UFO VPN uses military-grade encryption and promises a strict no-logs policy. Your passwords, banking info, and personal details stay safe and private always. Fourth, extra protection features. Say goodbye to annoying ads and risky pop-ups. The built-in ad blocker keeps them away, protecting you from malware and scams. Plus, the kill switch instantly cuts your internet if the VPN connection drops, so your info is never exposed. Last but not least, split tunneling for flexibility. With split tunneling, you can choose which sites use the VPN while others access the internet directly. It's perfect for browsing both global and local content at the same time, and it helps keep your speeds fast. Now, let's show you how to set up UFO VPN on your iPhone. Click the link in the description to get UFO VPN on your iPhone. Then launch UFO VPN on your device. Select a server you want to switch to connect. In this video, we want to switch our IP to Australia, so we choose one location and connect to it. Let's check if my IP address has been switched to Australia. After connecting, you can enjoy region-restricted content or just stay secure online freely. Ready to take back your privacy? Grab UFO VPN free below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.